Cumulus Villa is a tropical contemporary-style family villa in Ungazan, Bali. Even the living room is placed in the middle of the lower floor to create the perfect relaxing space. The difference is that the sliding door is designed with a Cumulus Clouds laser cutting decoration. This is one of our clients' works. Surprisingly, this artwork will reflect aesthetic shadows when exposed to sunlight. Then, the use of stone also appears in other parts of the building. Besides river stone, there is also andesite stone. While as the main structural material, we use steel. Cumulus Villa is interesting because they implement a smart home system to make everything easier there. Here's a look at the plan. Our clients also can even keep an eye on this villa when they are not in Bali through their smartphones. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.